ka-risk taker, I'm Jen. Ayan, at muli po ako nagbabalik sa aking YouTube channel. Ayan. So for today's video, share po ako na isang in this website na i-share ko sa inyo mga ka-risk taker is an investment website. So kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, maaari ka pong mag-like at subscribe at pahit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga videos na i-upload ko dito, which is ang channel na ito ay naglalaman ng iba't ibang online mapagkakitaan o free earning apps man yan or free earning website and investment website. Yun po ang mga sinishare natin dito sa ating YouTube channel mga ka-risk taker. Alright, di na natin patagalin to mga ka-risk taker. Without the further ado, stay tuned para wala kayong ma-miss na any information. So, ayan mga ka-risk taker, andito tayo ngayon sa ating main dashboard ng website. So, first, if you are new in this website, you have to put your email. Ayan po siya nakalagay po dito. Ilalagay mo po yung email mo or phone number. So, you registered using, I will register using my email address. So, ayan lang po siya mga ka-risk taker. gmail.com. And then, yung number po dito is, dito po yung referral code, mga ka-risk taker. So, after po natin yan, so we need to do the next step. Just click the next step. And then, meron dito, nakalagay, you have an successful. So, we need to check our email inbox to get the verification code. So, punta tayo dito sa ating email. Yan. So, you should put your email na active po mga ka-risk taker. Kasi nagsisend po siya ng verification code. So, ito po yung verification code natin. So, ayan, i-copy-paste lang po natin siya. Let's copy-paste. And, we need to put it on our, ayan, di ko siya tanda, ano yun, 173971. 1739. O, diba? Ang bilis ko makalimot. 71. Epekto na yata to. Ang bilis, ayan. You have sent, and then after that, a beginner task, complete the following steps to receive 10 USDT. More activities, please check the wallet task center. So, we have to click the top up now. So, that's easy mga ka-risk taker. So, digital wallet is USDT. So, you can check here the currency, which is marami po siya dito. Only USDT lang po. And then, just click confirm lang. And then, magde-deposit ka po dito ng amount. And then after that, i-click mo lang po itong confirm. So, dito naman po sa legal tender, so deposit amount, maglalagay ka nga po dyan, pero kasi, mga ka-risk taker, I don't have an, na ma-deposit po dito, and then, i-click mo lang yung confirm. So, ganun po siya dito mga ka-risk taker, and then dito, wala pa nga po akong di-deposit. So, ganun lamang po siya kadali, at ganun lamang po siya kasimple. So, nawala ako. O, diba? Nawala ako sa focus. Go to settings. Set login password. So, magla-login lamang po ako mga ka-risk taker. New login password. And then, review lamang po ito mga ka-risk taker ha. In this video tutorial, I'm just doing a review, and then I'm not forcing any one of you to do the same. What did I share on this channel? In any error of the website or application that doesn't pay anymore, it's not my fault, or it's not the Learning and Earn channel faults po mga ka-risk taker. Kasi wala tayong assurance kung hanggang kailan lang sila magbabayad or kailan lang sila magpe-pay para sa mga players or investors na mga sinishare ko dito sa aking channel. So dito, meron dito sa safety desk, you should have to modify login password and then set transaction password and modify mobile number and modify email address. So, ayun po yun siya, yung security center dito mga ka-risk-taker. So, dito, and then you can recharge. Dito, meron din sila ditong support multiple ways. So, ayan na nga po siya mga ka-risk-taker. So, ayan po siya. And then, the mission center dito po. So, you have a daily task. Invitation to recharge for the first time, direct time, ayan po siya mga ka-risk-taker. And then, if you have an invite friends of VIP and above members, invite to direct members to get 1 USDT. So, you can invite up to 3 times a day only mga ka-risk-taker. So, sa direct members naman, deposit to get 2 USDT. Kapag nag-deposit, if you are depositing for this website, you can get 2 USDT and you can get unlimited this 2 USDT during the day. And if you recharge, when a single deposit reach 500 USDT or above, you can receive 38 USDT limit 1 claim per day. So you have a limited claim once only. So if you are upgraded to VIP 5, the number of direct subordinates to recharge reach to 50. So reaches to 500 USD. And if you will upgrade to VIP 4, the number of direction subordinates you can reach 200 USDT per day. And then if you upgrade to VIP 3, so you can recharge 20 times and 60 USDT. So ayan po siya until VIP 2. VIP 2 is, there are 10 directs na po siya and users who need to recharge to 20 USDT as VIP participants po siya mga ka-risk-taker. So that was a long-term task po yun siya mga ka-risk-taker. So again, I'm not forcing any one of you to follow and to do the same what I did in my channel. So, and dito, you can do the bank account. So, you can add a wallet address here. So, only for USDT only. So, yun lang po siya mga ka-risk-taker. And then, the security center and currency unit. So, you can do here, meron din silang Philippine peso or yung IDR. I'm not sure kung anong meaning ng IDR. So, ganun lamang po siya mga ka-risk-taker. And then, you can get the loan. Ayan, loan records. Ayan po siya dito. If you want to do the loan, so please enter the loan account, loan amount, and kung ilang days mo po, meron ditong choices, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours, yung binibigay nila ditong palugit para ikaw ay makapag-loan na kailangan mong bayaran within 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, or 12 hours. It depends on you. Huwag lang lumagpas dyan sa rules nila na oras ng pagbayad mo dito sa loan. So, dito naman mga ka-risk-taker, dito, pwede mo rin daw silang ma-check sa Facebook page nila. Ito po yung Xmai token. So, these are the Facebook page of the website. So, maaari nyo, you can contact them via Facebook page. So, meron din po sila dito mga ka-risk-taker sa Twitter, Telegram. Meron din po sila dyan. So, you can contact them. Any further questions or anything about this website. So, dito sa withdrawal, meron dito nakalagay, so you have not set transaction password. So, wala pa ako dyan kasi I just did a review for this website. As you can see here, this is my ID number. Yes, and maybe I think you should, if you want to change your profile, pwede naman din. So, dito, you can trade, but I'm not really sure yet how at kung paano. So, that's it siya mga ka-risk-taker. And then, i-click natin tong Home Analytics. Ayan. So, X lang po natin tong nagtatap up. So, they have an announcement. Announcement regarding to the process of working a robot income 24 hours after we trading. Go to open a robot commission record that click in order to trading at will not be shown if it less than 1 day trading or not complete. Sorry for any inconvenience. Cause the hope you understand Xmai token 2022. Yan po siya mga ka-risk taker. So that's are the platform of this website. So here, so I need to tap to go the settings. So you should set the password dito sa transaction password. So maglalagay ka lang po dyan ng password, and take note, don't forget your password as well. So wala siya dito, and I will be back. Ayan po siya. So that's it, the Xmai. So that's it, and then yes, that was the beginner's guide. And then here you can click in this, and then you can see, makikita po natin dito kung magkano yung trading, kung nagte-trade tayo dito mga ka-risk taker. Take note lang po, I'm not a professional about the trading of cryptocurrency, mga ka-risk taker. So I highly suggest do your own research para kung ano man yung mga error, kung gusto niyo siyang i-try dito, do your own research para wala po tayong sisihan pagdating dito sa investment na to. Kasi ito siya, investment to mga ka-risk taker. So as you can see, 0 ako dito, team size is 1. So may mga rankings na sila dito na nagtitrade. Ayan yung mga team nila. So this is it. And then a robot list I don't have as of now. So, ganun lamang siya dito mga ka-risk taker. It's, and then we should click this one. Ayan, that's the robot. And you can trade there if you like. And then, so ayan lamang po siya mga ka-risk taker. That's easy naman. So, yan yun nga siya. Wala pa ako. And this. Yan. So, ganun lamang po siya, level 1. So, why do I? So, kung magta-top up ka dito, you should put the amount kung magkano. So, dito mga ka-risk taker, ayan po siya, nagpa-pop up talaga siya. So, hindi mo siya makokontrol. So, after you create an account, you recharge at least 100 USDT and the investment quota is over 700 USDT. So, ganun po siya dito mga ka-risk taker. So, hindi man ako mag-e-invest as of now. So, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ba siya dito magsimula sa website na ito. So, ayun lamang po siya mga ka-risk taker. So, so, ayan lamang po siya. Ganun lamang po kadali. So, ganun lamang po siya mga ka-risk taker. So, hanggang dito na lang po ang ating video tutorial for today about this website. So, we can proceed to the another file. And kung gusto nyo mag-invest dito mga ka-risk taker, nasa sa inyo na po yun kung gusto ninyo. But, hindi ko po kayo pinipilit na gawin ko ano po yung napapanood ninyo dito sa akin channel. Inuulit-ulit ko po yan para pagdating ng panahon, kasi hindi natin alam. Alam naman natin pagdating sa investment website, hindi natin alam hanggang kailan lang itatagal nila. So, based on my experience, kaya ko po yan siya nasabi, kasi experience ko na yan na after ko mag-invest, ganito nga po nangyayari. So, para naman po walang sisihan, kailangan din natin mag-research sa ating sarili. So, dito nga lang po, take at your own risk. Invest what you can afford to lose, and invest and take at your own risk mga ka-risk taker. Kasi alam natin na ang pag-i-invest is a risky talaga. So hanggang dito na lang ang ating video tutorial for today mga ka-risk taker. Have a good day, stay safe, God bless. See you next time and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye mga ka-risk taker.